how to fix the Uber Eats app not working. So I'm going to show you two things. So if the app works enough for you to open up your account and click on your profile picture, what you want to do is just sign out and then sign back in. If the app doesn't work at all, then what we can do is just close the application itself. We are going to go into settings here. We're going to scroll down and just search for offload. Open up this first option that pops up, offload unused apps, and you will be able to see a list of all of your applications right here. We just want to find the Uber Eats app, and we're just going to click on it like so. And you will see an option called offload app. Click on offload app and then offload the application. After we have done this, we will simply reinstall the application. This is going to keep all of the data. It's just going to uninstall and reinstall the application for you. So just give it some time here, and now you should be able to load up Uber Eats once this process completes. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.